Welcome back to another weekly episode on the channel that gives you a new recipe each and every single week. So hit that subscribe button. Today, I'm gonna do away with the dinner stuff and we're gonna do breakfast. Technically, this is called a bell pepper egg in a hole, but I'm gonna make it my way. So I'm gonna rename it because I've got the right to. We're gonna call this a Mexican breakfast. So let's get started here on Cook! Don't be lazy! For aesthetic purposes, I'm going to use a variety of different colored bell peppers. So all I've done is chopped them, got some rings out of them. Nice, thick rings. So once you do the slicey on the rings, get yourself a frying pan. Set your stove to about medium high. I'm going to set mine to 6. I'm going to get a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to wait for this pan to get a little bit hot. And I'm going to put just enough vegetable oil to make sure my eggs don't stick. I'm not too worried about the bell pepper sticking. I'm more worried about the egg sticking. So I'm going to let this warm up for a minute. Throw your rings in. The rule to remember is 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes we're going to flip. Now that we flip, let's crack our eggs inside the hole. We're going to add some salt. Some pepper. And we're almost done. I'm going to use some Mexican cheese to top it off. We'll also need some tomato sauce. I've already got some stored off to the side in a little container. So I'm just going to put a little dollop across the top. Once that cheese melts, you guys know what time it is. Time to plate up! And that's what I call a Mexican breakfast. I've been making this over the last few days. Tastes very fresh, tastes very good. Give it a shot. What have you got to lose? Until next time, you guys know the drill. Cook! Don't be lazy.